So my name is Joseph Lund and I study business management with entrepreneurship. So the pitching competition was the final sort of segment of the entrepreneurship course that I do. So within the 3 years I was actually studying, the whole time has kind of been building you up into actually starting your own business. The actual idea that I had was it was like a social media marketing platform. The business plan was really, really good. And when it actually came to presenting, it was really, really challenging, but it was a really sort of valuable experience as well to actually go and present a business idea that you've created with your team to a panel of entrepreneurs who are already who have already set up their own businesses. And that was really cool. But somehow managed to win. So that was always good. That was always good. Yeah, my time at university has completely changed me as a person in terms of sort of my outlook on life. I know that sounds quite deep, but just kind of like my outlook for the future. You know, I feel like I've got a lot of things available for me to do. It's a lot of fun.